This is Mark doing a kitchen detail. This is the Schafer household, store number 659. Here we have a bunch of things to go over, different pricing to do. So here we have the stove existing in the fridge. They want to keep all the appliances. There's the microwave, dishwasher, and a sink. So I'm going to give you all the measurements for the drywall first, and then we'll go through some of the cabinets. Okay, so starting over here, from the drywall corner to this pantry drywall, that is 84.25. And to the center of the stove, coming off the pantry wall to the center of the stove, is 42.25 inches to the center. The pantry wall, it comes off of the back wall, 27 inches. And then the wall with this door here, that is 36 inches from the outside of the drywall to the corner. And then up here from the drywall to the corner of the trim, we have 13 inches. This door opening from outside of trim to outside of trim is 41.25. And from that trim to the corner drywall behind the fridge is 48.5 inches. And then from that behind the fridge to this outside corner, we have 70.5 inches. The height of the ceiling in this house is 108 inches, 9 feet, from the floor to the finished ceiling. They want to, over here, yeah, we'll go through this measurement here. So this countertop, they want to keep the countertops. So this countertop measurement from here to the outside sink is 77 inches. And you gotta remember that this countertop sticks past the drywall. So it's 12 inches from here to the outside of the drywall countertop. And again, that countertop from the outside to the far side here is 77 inches. And then for the plumbing wise, from the drywall here by the fridge to the countertop is 96 inches. They do want to keep a lot of the lower cabinets in this house and possibly, hopefully, just replace some of the door fronts and drawer fronts. So we're going to go through some of those measurements. And then on top of the microwave here, they do want to see if we can add a cabinet on top of the fridge cabinet and on top of the microwave cabinet going to the ceiling. And that will be also on this side too. We'll get rid of these two cabinets and possibly do a 39-inch cabinet with a 12-inch cabinet on top and then crown mold to the ceiling. That would work out. And then they do want to get rid of this and probably do like a built-in unit in between. So they are okay to get rid of this. We'll go through some of the sizes of these cabinet